Hong Kong is a rapid metropolis. Aren't you sick of doing even more work when you're back home after a long day of work? Smart Home is here to help. Let me introduce our housekeeping assistant to you. Our housekeeping assistant washes their hands with hand sanitizer before getting into your house. They will also sanitize their whole body and their slippers by using disinfection spray to make sure they're bacteria-free before entering your premises. Laundry takes time, so typically our housekeepers will do the laundry first along with some kitchen works. Our housekeeping assistant collects clothes that needed to be cleaned, puts it into the washing machine, and starts washing. In the meantime, she will do the dishes and clean in the kitchen. After the laundry and kitchen work, she will start cleaning the living room. Simply by using a clean towel to wipe the furniture and all necessary area where there's dust. Then, she will start vacuuming in the living room. After wiping and vacuuming all the dust in the area, she will mop the floor as a final step for the living room. You see how shiny the floor is? Our housekeeping assistant will also clean the windows. But for safety reasons, they will only clean the inner side of the windows. Making up your bed and tidying up your bedroom is another key element of your housekeeping service. The very last step would be cleaning the bathroom. It is very important to keep the bathroom clean, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, our housekeeping assistants pay extra attention to every corner of your bathroom. Housekeeping services are not limited to the services shown in the video. Contact us and give it a try.